Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can inserting videos within videos on the CapCut apps. So after you have the video you want to edit, you are just going to select overlay to add the overlay. So just select overlay, here, just click on it and select add overlay. So you can select your video that you want to insert into the video. For example, I'm going to select this.
It might be.
Okay, just click add. So you can set it duration. Can set the size and the position as you like. That's it. And you can also blend the video. Just click on the video and then you can select blend option and select the blend mode of blend as you like, just for the opacity, and just click check mark. So that's all. I hope this basic tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.